Yo, what's up, guys? A very good morning to you guys. Welcome to another daily Forex market outlook. We should go straight to the point. Um, this is the gold chart. This is the gold chart. So remember from my past videos, if you have been following up from my past videos, I talked about this demand zone in the 4 hour time frame. We were in the demand zone, whereby while market was retracing down to the demand zone, it was forming a pattern, a downtrend. If you check the 1 hour, you would see that the 1 hour was coming down in a downtrend form. As it was coming down, it was following a downtrend to the demand zone, to the 4 hour demand zone. And what we were expecting two things. We were cashing sales from this region. We're cashing sales from this region. We caught the sell here. We caught the sell here. At this point, it was not really too clear, but we caught the sell here. So we're expecting price to at least we're expecting price action to at this region if there's a rejection. But from price action, there was no rejection. Instead, there was a break of trend line to the upside. So what we were expecting was a retrace back to the trend line before going up. And do what I do. If you check my former video, you will see that we were expecting price to retest to that, at least that line, before it goes up. But that was the former resistance, which later turned to the support. But unfortunately, market didn't really touch the trend line, and it just um, uh, faked down and started going up. So hopefully we'll be expecting for us to actually confirm our buys. We should be expecting price to at least take out this low, thereby maybe coming down to this side, um, to this area, at least mitigating the support line before we could be seeing continuation. Or price will just continue going upward from where it is. So the all we could be seeing will be something like this. Market just coming down to touch this support zone again, thereby clearing out stops. That is those people that bought here. So coming down, touching this support and flying upward. All markets, another thing that market could do, market could just continue buying. Market could just continue buying. Could just continue buying upward as it has been going. So we'll be expecting anything like that. Then for GBP USD, oh, love this. Remember I told you guys about our daily, where I talked about we being in a range market. And this is a 1 minute time frame. Sorry. So this was our range market. Remember I talked about this range market that we were in, and we started buying from this region, from this low. From a weekly, you see a clear view from the weekly time frame. Let us check weekly. We'll go back to the daily. You can see the we have gone halfway the resistance, the range market. We have gone halfway the range market. So let's go back to the daily. So from the daily time frame, we actually saw market broke. Actually saw the market broke this broke this resistance, and we were expecting a retest to this region before going up, but it didn't retest. Rather, it went further up, came down, created a new support here, and started going up. And when it went up, it came down, we tested this demand region and started going up. So what we'll be expecting now, we'll be expecting for at least price to, first of all, let's just create let's just create our key zones. It's always good to create key zones to make you get focused um on where you should be looking at. So it was a valid low, and this was a valid high, and these are valid high. So this is what we're looking up to now. We're looking at this region. So what we'll be expecting, what we're expecting, we're expecting price to at least come down to take out the stops here for price pushes up again, create a new high. So this is what we're expecting. But how would that happen? We have to go to the lower time frame for a very good risk to reward. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is what we're expecting, guys. This is what we're expecting. We're expecting price to at least come down to take out stops here. To take out stops here. Once it takes out these stops, we're expecting price. So this is a very critical zone, and you can see this is actually a demand zone. But most times, manipulations makes demand zone being taken out. So something like this is the demand zone we're looking at. This demand zone is supposed to hold it, but it buy up instantly. So we'll be looking for price action at this point. Price may decide not to take out that low. That may be a very valid low, especially this low here. But um, we work with price actions. So if price says it's time to go up, we follow the market to go up. If price doesn't come down, take out to stop. If there's a price action, and how would you know there's a price action? We know there's a price action when price does something like this. Um, a first break or break of market structure, like this is a high, so price could just come upward, break the high, it comes down to retest this region, which should be a demand region, then we head upward. So this could happen, anything could happen. Those stops could be taken, or it could just go crazy. So when price comes down and retest, we buy. So these are the two analysis to I always focus on gold and GPUSD. So bye guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, guys.